Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ZILLIQA daily update. I'm going to give you an advice as well afterwards. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits and most importantly, you will know where the market will be going almost every day, so you won't have a problem into where the market is going right now. Are we going to crash? Of course, you're going to get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis. You're going to join our manual system with over 90% win ratio. You're going to get many more benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Right now, I want to see ZILLIQA, but let's see something else first. I want you to avoid following pages on Twitter, on YouTube, on everyone or everywhere actually that have clickbaits and they are just telling you that an altcoin will go 10x or ZILLIQA will go to 1 USDT from now on and so on, because these pages, these people are destroying traders, simple traders just like you, me and everyone right there that want to take profits. They are destroying you. Back then we had multiple people, many people actually, talking about ZILLIQA going all the way up to 1 USDT. And of course, many people believed in that. Many people followed these clickbaits and eventually they went having corrections going on and they were having their portfolio destroyed, literally destroyed. Look at that. As fast as you can earn money in the cryptocurrency market, you can easily lose. This is a minus 55%. Imagine if someone puts 10k in that from the top, right? He would have by now 4.5k, and of course the option right there was not to sell but to wait. Okay, so you would be in a loss or someone else would be in a loss of minus 5.5k, 55% right there if you put 10,000 Tether USD. Okay, so right now I want you to avoid all the pages. Do not follow the overhyped channels. Do not follow the channels that want the bad from you. Follow rational channels. Okay, I'm not saying that this is the best channel right there, but there are many channels that they are actually trying to tell you something important right there and something that they are actually see and not what they want to see, not what you want to hear, but I'm going to tell you, and many other pages are going to tell you what you need to see and what is the truth. Okay, and not what you want to hear. It is very important to know that, because many people are getting many likes because they are telling things that people want to hear. Crypto is going to explode. ZILLIQA is going to explode massively, 100x altcoins by the next few weeks, okay, and many other things like that, things that won't be working on the crypto space. Let's go start with ZILLIQA right here. And as you can see, we just follow the lower low, lower high trend right there. What I would suggest for you is not to DCA ZILLIQA right now. There's no point in DCAing, rather than wait for a potential breakout. And what we are having right now is continuous constant fails on the 20-day and the 50-day exponential moving average. After we had the bearish cross right here on the 4-hour frame, you can see we couldn't find ourselves above the 20-day and the 50-day EMA, the red line right here on the daily frame as well. Now we are beyond the 20-day EMA, and on the daily frame, I have to inform you that we have so much room to correct and of course to grow. Okay, the cat could be sad and could be happy at the same time. Okay, it's a part of how you see that. And of course, yes, I know ZIL will be going higher in the future, but we have to see the midterm as well. And something bad that people are doing is that they are just investing all their money into one single price. You need to avoid that. Okay, do not invest all your money into one single price, into one single altcoin. Okay, so eventually what we are having right here for ZIL is that we are going a little bit further down right now, not a little bit, actually quite further down, and we are going to see the next support levels for now. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is that I want to go to the weekly frame actually, and I want to start my Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top right here. Eventually ZIL can go all the way down into the 0.08. Okay, in the next days it could potentially go all the way back down into the 0.08. Alright, so you should be extremely careful. Yes, we could potentially go there, but this is going to be more on the midterm. Perhaps we are going for ZIL against Bitcoin chart before we go on ZIL against USDT. Right now, things are not looking good. We might be losing this bottom support level for the RSI pattern, and of course this could be the case that we are going further down. Remember when we talked about the descending triangle that we had formed for ZIL against USDT chart? Yeah, this time right now we are just having the lower low, lower high pattern with not any signs of a buying pressure, without signs of relief. For example, we do not have a bullish hidden RSI divergence or a bullish RSI divergence. We do not have a breakout, right? We do not have a very critical support level that we are in, and we expect to find a buying pressure. All this leads to probably a more dump for ZIL. Okay, of course, I believe that we are going to have a bump here. For example, we had a bump of plus 10% back on 6 April, but it wasn't enough. Now we are down from the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Usually inside this area we are seeing a small pump. For example, we could go just like this one right here, stopping at the 0.618, which will be the 0.50324. However, it is not necessary. Okay, the most probable scenario is that we are not seeing the high right there, or in actually any time right now. We should be waiting like for 3 months, 4 months and more until we achieve these targets for ZIL again. Let's go back to ZIL against USDT chart, and here you can see on the weekly frame that we are having minus 12%. Okay, we are having a minus 12%. Before on the week we had the minus 22, and it is important to know that when you have a plus 300x in just 2 weeks or maybe more, look at that, it was 500%. You need to consolidate. Okay, you need to just consolidate, and of course you need to have a correction going on, and the correction will last for a couple of days more. Yes, we might be having some pumps throughout this bearish movement right here, but they won't be enough to reach the 0.23 and go even higher. So I want you to be extremely careful. A very huge resistance level once we decide that we are going higher is the 0.184. If we close above this line, then be certain that we would be going into the next target, which could probably lead to the 0.30. However, right now we do not have any signs of achieving the target, the 0.18, and go even higher. And of course ZIL will be going further down. The price analysis is not with us on the short term as well. We could be seeing some lower levels. The Fisher transform only has a little bit of the same low pattern right here, but it is still not the case. It is still not so good in order to have a buying pressure. Next target for the support level will be the 0.09. Okay, so right here we are having the first support line, the 0.098. And of course, we could be falling further down. On the weekly frame and on the midterm, I think that we are going to fall on the 0.82. Okay, so you should be extremely careful with ZILLIQA as well. We are maybe going first into the 0.098, in which we might find a little bit of a buying pressure, but nothing special. And of course, I would say that when you are on a downtrend, you want to avoid trading the crypto. Okay, you want to avoid getting in, except if you have something very strong like a bullish RSI divergence, consecutive bullish RSI divergences, where you can take easy profits from an uptrend and then you can sell, and then we go down again. So either you wait for a breakout or you wait for a perfect moment until the daily and the weekly frame shows a very good sign of rebuying entries. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MineYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.